Influencing the midi-chlorians. The Force is found throughout the universe, not only in living things. Everything in existence that draws upon various aspects of the energy we call the Force may be classified into three categories. The Empyrean includes and unites all matter, giving it shape and cohesion. Aspects of the Empyrean include gravity and electromagnetism, though the term encompasses everything in both space and time. Many of the abilities understood as belonging to the unifying force are tied to the Empyrean. The anima gives life but not thought to animals, plants, and other living beings. Midi-chlorians are responsible for inducing and sustaining anima in almost all species. Many of the living force abilities are tied to the anima. The pneuma is the expression of conscious thought. Thinking, self-aware minds contribute to the collective pneuma, which is accessed by many naturally telepathic species, as well as by the various minds of the Jedi and the Sith. These fundamental forces would exist even without midi-chlorians. However, midi-chlorians are the beneficiaries of an unusually strong connection to all forms of physical and psychic energy. Because the midi-chlorians inhabit living cells, the host organism is able to draw upon this connection. Midi-chlorians are endosymbionts. They die when their host dies, and no host can live if completely purged of midi-chlorians. All living things, regardless of their planet of origin, appear to possess midi-chlorians or complementary biological structures. The reasons for this isomorphism are unknown, but the results of my experiments in abiogenesis have shifted my present focus significantly. Of considerable interest is the fact that, while most cellular organelles generate chemical energy, midi-chlorians generate force energy. They also appear to possess a single unified consciousness linked via the pneuma, and can be influenced by the host's mental state. In particular, negative emotions, such as the loss of hope, can induce cellular necrosis. Typical blood concentration is around 2,500 midi-chlorians per cell. Cutting this concentration in half will usually induce death. I conclude that force energy is required for life, and that midi-chlorians are its biological vector. Jedi and Sith have high midi-chlorian counts at the moments of their births. Breeding between two force-sensitive parents is an option, as the pairings generally result in force-sensitive offspring. On the other hand, genetic defects have been a concern since the inbreeding among the royals of Vijun during their mad chase for extraordinary powers. A simple blood transfusion is the obvious answer, but I have found that the subject's native midi-chlorians will reject the influx of foreign cells.